Many people struggle to understand this deep and fascinating concept. You can ignite feelings of longing, attraction, or even desire in someone without ever being physically near them. These emotions are not dependent on face-to-face conversations, sharing the same space, or direct interaction. Ironically, the harder you try to force or manipulate these connections, the more elusive they tend to become. A common misconception many people have is that constantly reaching out, whether by making frequent calls, initiating endless conversations, or engaging with every piece of their social media, will spark a deep longing for their presence. They think that the more they make themselves seen, the more they'll be desired. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, these behaviors often have the opposite effect. Overloading someone with attention or appearing overly eager can create a sense of discomfort or even push them away. When actions stem from desperation or a fear of lack, they naturally create resistance, driving away the very connection you're trying to build. When you exude desperation and neediness, your natural magnetism begins to fade, and the intrigue you once held diminishes. This sense of urgency undermines your ability to captivate others, making it harder for them to feel a genuine connection to you. True attraction, however, is born from a calm and confident energy that doesn't depend on chasing or convincing anyone. By stepping into this quiet, self-assured power, you naturally attract the people and opportunities you desire. There's no need for exaggerated efforts or desperate actions. What you seek will flow to you with ease, as if by design. Authentic attraction and magnetism arise from a deep sense of calm confidence, an inner serenity built on the foundation of knowing your own value and strength. It's about recognizing that what you seek is already making its way toward you. This powerful energy doesn't come from endless effort or pursuit. Instead, it's driven by unwavering belief and intentional focus. When you align your thoughts with this energy, you naturally and effortlessly pull your desires into your reality. When a specific person unexpectedly comes to mind, it's natural to feel the pull to contact them, wondering, do they think about me the way I think about them? What if they've moved on? These thoughts are far from random. They're an integral part of the manifestation process. Every time you envision that person and dwell on ideas like, I hope they still care about me, or I wish they missed me, you're actively shaping the energy around you. Your focus on these emotions sends out vibrations that play a significant role in creating the reality you experience. When you repeatedly tell yourself that they're ignoring you, don't care, or have lost interest, you're unknowingly creating and reinforcing that reality. These persistent thoughts anchor the very outcome you want to avoid. But here's the good news. There's a way to shift this entirely. I'm about to introduce you to a powerful technique, a simple affirmation that will realign your energy, ignite feelings of longing within them, and remove the need for any pursuit. This method will awaken your natural magnetism, proving how effortlessly you can draw them closer. No effort is required on your part. They will naturally feel compelled to come to you. The moment your specific person enters your mind, take a deep breath and pause. Resist the urge to let doubt or negative thoughts take over. Instead, ground yourself in confidence and repeat this powerful affirmation. I know without a doubt that you miss me. I am certain that you deeply desire me. I fully trust that this is an unchangeable truth. I am the one who occupies your mind and heart. This simple shift in focus aligns your energy with the outcome you desire. Just like that, boom. That's the power of intention in motion. You're flipping the script, taking charge, and influencing their thoughts rather than letting your mind wander or succumbing to the temptation of chasing. The next time they cross your mind, resist getting caught up in the weight of the 3D world. Take a step back, pause, and remind yourself of a simple truth. You are the one in control of your reality. By maintaining clarity and focus, you step fully into your role as the creator of your experience, reclaiming your inner strength and aligning with the outcome you desire. Repeat to yourself with absolute confidence. You miss me deeply. You are irresistibly attracted to me. Your desire for me is undeniable. It is an unchanging truth that I am the one who constantly fills your thoughts. Let these words resonate within you, reinforcing your power and belief in this reality. When you affirm in this way, you're reshaping the role they play in your narrative. Never forget, this is your reality, and everyone within it responds to the roles you consciously or unconsciously assign them. The way your specific person behaves is a direct reflection of how you view and think about them. So, envision them as someone who misses you, someone who is constantly drawn to you, someone who deeply desires you. Reaffirm to yourself, this is how they feel. This is how they will continue to feel. With time, they will naturally align with this belief, as your thoughts possess the extraordinary power to mold your reality. This is the secret to making someone miss you without saying a word. Each time their image enters your mind, treat it as an opportunity to assign them the role you want them to play. Affirm to yourself, they miss me. They desire me. They crave my presence. Right now, I am the one they can't stop thinking about. Choose words that resonate with your inner power and feel undeniably true to you. By intentionally guiding your thoughts in this way, you're not only transforming your perception of them, you're actively reshaping your reality to reflect this belief. That specific person will effortlessly begin to align with the role you've assigned them. They will reflect back to you exactly what you believe about them. As you firmly affirm, they miss me, they desire me, they feel an irresistible urge to reach out to me. Their actions will start to mirror those very thoughts. This isn't coincidence. It's the reality you're deliberately creating through the focused power of your beliefs and intentions. The roles you assign to others shape how they show up in your life, and the stronger your conviction, the more vividly your desired reality takes form. Are you ready to experience the power of focused intention and watch your reality shift before your eyes? In this video, you'll discover a simple yet incredibly effective technique to draw someone closer to you, ignite their desire to connect, and even compel them to reach out to you in record time. If you've been waiting for a sign or a solution, this is your moment. Dive into the video now and unlock the secret to making your desires a reality. Don't forget to explore our channel for more transformative methods that will inspire and empower you.